come to... We're playing in Philly on Sunday.
Well, she has to work.
What's her name?
Her name's Courtney. Hold on,
Courtney?
let me.
We're doing a video?
Yes, yes.
You have one of those fancy new iPhones that does video.
Yeah.
Mine
Well, not the
doesn't do
new
that.
ones.
Mine doesn't do that. I'm so deprived.
Oh.
So it's Courtney?
Yes, Courtney.
Alright, are you going already? Is this embarrassing? Have I been...
No, it's. Well, I have been recording, but it's okay. She'll like it.
Courtney! Okay, one, you should have come to the show today because it was freaking awesome. Seriously, ask your friend, she'll tell you. Second, it's Philadelphia. We're going all the way there. You know how far away it is from where I live? You skip work and come to the show. And C, wait, that's not right. And three, Wizard Rock is awesome, and you need to come to more shows. Because I haven't seen you at a show in like forever. Okay, I've been looking for you.
LeakyCon.
Yeah, it's been since LeakyCon. I have no idea. Honestly, let me just continue talking into this camera for no reason. I'm so delirious right now from being overheated. You don't even know what I'm saying. But next time, you should come and be deliriously hot with us, because we're hot like that.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
bye.